going on, everyone? Got another train coming. It just started raining. Hopefully it doesn't blur my screen out. You can hear it. Definitely. Yeah, it's coming. There's the lights. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's coming off in the distance. Excuse me, I'm out of breath. I'm just raking dirt. Technically mud. This should be M426. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope everybody has a good night. Unfortunately, the homeowner lost his mom today, so what's going on? How you doing, Ike? So yeah, that's unfortunate. So probably either way, I'm looking at a new place to live, so kind of sucks, but I mean, it does suck that she passed away, but it sucks pretty bad that you gotta move too, so. But hope everyone has a good day. Bye.